Are you following a ketogenic diet and not seeing the results you expected? In today's video, I'm going to reveal 3 urgent signs that it's time for you to quit keto. You won't want to miss this. Hi, I'm Lesya, a women's clean keto and carb cycling nutritionist, and I'm thrilled to have you here because we're going to talk about something crucial. Recognizing the signs that it's time to break up with keto. Believe me, I get it. We can be pretty stubborn when it comes to sticking to a diet that has previously worked for us or that others seem to be thriving on. But trust me when I say this, if you've given keto a fair shot and you're not losing weight or even worse, gaining weight, it's time to reevaluate your approach. Let's dive into our first warning sign. Warning sign number 1, you're not shedding pounds, inches, or body fat, or you've gained weight on keto. Picture yourself on a hike, trekking up a steep mountain. You've been climbing for hours, hoping to reach the summit. But if you've been following the keto diet diligently for at least 4 weeks without any cheats and you haven't experienced any weight loss or even worse, gained weight, it's like hitting a plateau on that arduous climb. It's a sign that keto might not be the right fit for you. I know, it seems obvious, but sometimes we ignore the obvious because we're so fixated on past success or other people's journeys. There are many reasons why some women gain weight on keto, including their genetics, not following the diet correctly, eating the wrong foods, and not actually getting into ketosis or having too much stress. Or there's other medical conditions that make it hard to lose weight no matter what diet you're on, such as hypothyroidism, PCOS, and diabetes. If you've been fueling your body with whole, real foods, prioritizing high-quality protein, non-starchy veggies, healthy fats, and low-sugar fruits, yet the scale remains stagnant, it's time to shift gears. Warning sign number 2, you keep cheating on keto. Now, I know the word cheating might trigger some of you, but let's face it, consistency is key in any successful dietary approach. If you find it challenging to stick to keto consistently, that's a major red flag indicating it might not be the right fit for you. Imagine yourself on a sailing adventure, navigating through rough waters. The wind is blowing fiercely, and you find it challenging to stay on course. If you're struggling to adhere to keto consistently, it's like those gusts of temptation steering you off track. Let's dive into the reasons why you might be struggling with this. If you're transitioning from a standard American diet, your body may be metabolically inflexible, making those carbs and sugar cravings really hard to resist. In this case, I recommend taking a gradual approach, starting with something less restrictive than keto if you've never tried a low-carb lifestyle before. Another reason you may be struggling with keto adherence is mental blocks and habits that hold you back. An all-or-nothing mentality, self-sabotage, the restrict binge cycles, and emotional eating can all hinder your consistency with any dietary plan. It's crucial to address these underlying factors to establish a healthy and sustainable eating pattern. Warning sign number 3, you're dealing with adrenal dysfunction or low thyroid. Ladies, this one is especially crucial, so grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into the science. Imagine your body is a well-oiled machine, with your adrenal glands acting as its gears. But what happens when those gears are overworked and fail to function optimally? That's adrenal dysfunction, also known as adrenal fatigue or HPA axis dysregulation. Think of your adrenal glands as conductors in an orchestra. They're responsible for secreting cortisol, the maestro, of your stress response. But with adrenal dysfunction, the cortisol rhythm becomes disrupted, akin to a symphony playing discordant notes. Now, here's where keto can complicate matters. Since the keto diet itself acts like a stressor on the body, it can make symptoms worse, increasing cortisol levels, and even contribute to weight gain, particularly around the belly area. It's like throwing gasoline on a fire that's already bright. Scientific studies have shown the potential benefits of carb cycling in healing adrenal dysfunction. It's like providing a gentle breeze to soothe the flames. By strategically alternating your carbohydrate intake throughout the day, you can restore your cortisol rhythm to its natural balance. Picture yourself as a conductor, guiding the orchestra towards harmony. With a carb cycling strategy, you can help decrease cortisol levels and provide relief to your adrenal glands. If you want to learn more about the wonders of carb cycling for adrenal healing, I'll leave a link to a training for you in the description. Now let's touch on the thyroid, the conductor of your metabolism. Picture your thyroid as a delicate balance between the gears. When you're in ketosis for an extended period or severely restricting calories, it's like placing stress on those gears, leading to reduced thyroid function and potential hypothyroidism. I'm not suggesting you abandon keto if you have thyroid issues. Instead, I recommend a more cyclical keto approach. It's like fine-tuning the gears to find the perfect balance between health and weight management. If you want to explore this further, you'll find detailed information in my training. If any of these warning signs resonate with you, it's time to bid keto farewell and introduce some healthy carbs into your life. To help you on this journey, I'm hosting a free training on this exact topic. Don't miss out. Save your spot by clicking the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.